What's up, DV gang? So I'm back with another video, and this time this video is going to be featuring some hair. I know I'm all about my wigs and I love my wigs. You already know when Donmily Hair reached out to y'all girl to do a collab with them, y'all know I said hell yeah. So if y'all want to see what I was sent over, stay tuned for the video, and don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you ladies could be updated every time I post a video. Let's get into it. So when I received my package came in this pretty box like so. It says Donmily Hair on the front with the Amazon link, and on the front of the box it says be special, be you. On the back of the box it showed the right way to measure wigs as well as frequently asked questions. And yeah, it just came in this pretty cute little box, y'all. And what I was sent over was some Afro Kinky Curly Brown synthetic wig. Now this wig was machine made. The wig is supposed to be heat resistant and it is 15 inches long. So let's just jump into the when you open the box, it looks like this. And the hair comes in a hairnet, and you have, you know, of course, your lashes, and it also comes with 2 wig caps, black, and it looks like this. And that is all that came in that box. So I'm gonna go and take this hairnet off. And y'all, I love hairnets because after I finish, you know, wearing my wig, I put them back in the hairnet. So I will be using that. And it have this little tissue inside. And y'all, this is the wig. This is how the wig is looking. The hair is very soft. It's very soft, y'all. Very soft, very curly. It is some lace right here. This is how the inside of the wig is looking. It do have 3 combs, so 2 combs on the side, 1 comb on the nape with 2 adjustable straps. The wig does not have any combs in the middle, which I love. And there is no lace at the bottom, which I love as well. Now the part is like on a curve. Hopefully you guys can see that. I'm trying to show y'all from the inside. I don't know if y'all can see that, but the part is like on the curve. So I'm just gonna go in and customize this wig, try it on, and I'm gonna be back with my honest opinion on this Donmily synthetic hair. So stay tuned. What's up, y'all? So I told y'all I was gonna be back once I have the wig on and do everything to it. So this is how the wig is looking. Now this is Donmily synthetic kinky curly brown wig that they sent over to me. So I would have to say this wig, I definitely have to get used to it. One, this wig is really out of my comfort zone because I don't go this short. This is like the shortest I ever been, and this is supposed to be 15 inches. So this is the shortest wig I have ever worn. I'm used to my wigs being really long down to like my waist and stuff like that. So as far as like a curly wig, this is the first time I ever went this short. I love the curl definition of this wig. I like the fact that even though it is a synthetic wig, it is not, you know, overly shiny. This wig is low maintenance, so all I did was pretty much cut the lace that was in the front and I just popped it on my head. I thought I would have to add an elastic band to this wig, but unfortunately this wig does fit perfectly on my head with no problem, and it do feel like it have like some type of stretch. So I would have to say this wig would be big head friendly. Now if you ladies are first time wig buyers, I would definitely say give this wig a try. If you don't want to, you know, spend too much money, you know, want to go on the cheaper route, definitely give this wig a try. Now the cost of this wig does retail under $40 for this synthetic wig. So I really thought that was a steal, a bang for your buck, for you ladies who don't want to spend a whole bunch of money on a wig. Y'all, I really have to say this wig really has to grow on me because I am not used to this length. So it feels good to try something new. Y'all, let me know what y'all think. Like, do y'all like this wig on me? Like, do y'all like the length? Like, give me your honest opinion on how y'all feel about this wig. Drop it in the comment section and let me know how do y'all feel about this wig. Now I do think I will be taking the combs out of this wig, be just the simple fact that this wig fits very snug on my head. When I say snug, meaning it's not too tight. I really didn't have to adjust the straps on the back of the wig. So I really think that I could take the combs out of this wig because it just fits very perfectly. Now I did use some cheap elf powder. This shade is light medium in the part to make the part more realistic. This shade does, you know, match my scalp color. So this is how the parting is looking. Now Donmily Hair is on Amazon, so all you ladies have to do is go to the search bar and type in Donmily Hair and all their products will pop up. Like I said, this is a synthetic wig. It's very affordable. You really don't have to do much to it. You just cut the lace off, pop it on, and you just like go about your day. Like I always say, don't forget to like this video, comment, share with anyone and everyone, and don't forget to subscribe. And like I always say, don't forget to be your own kind of you. Stay beautiful and stay blessed. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.